My gas just finished. You know gas always finish on Sunday. I don't know why. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So we have a pound of peas. This is how they sell it in the market. Yeah. First I want to rinse off the peas. Wash off the excess dirt. This piece is not dirty, so that's good. Show off the dirty water. It's not that dirty. It's a little bit dirty water, you know? And again. Yeah. Typically we get this done from a Sunday afternoon, from a Saturday night. Make the peas soak, but as I said, just rinse and buy everything. So we're just going to fold this up, cover the peas. Need some garlic, right? Alright. So that's enough, about 3.5 cups of water. Stove. Some salt. So you salt the peas good enough, so about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Nice and salty because we're going to add more water and coconut milk. Yeah, a few grains of pimento berry. About 4 garlic cloves. We'll just cut them up. Nice good piece of the fresh thyme. Wash everything, no dirty pot. Anything go. So we're going to put half the amount of thyme for now and then half later. This is not the right cover, but Jamaica will just use anything cover the thing once you fit. So we'll cover that, let the water boil up. You know what I say? Ready? Get some cold water. So you realize the peas now, you're floating to the top, right? You get some cold water and we're going to submerge these underwater. So real fast, sorry. I realize everything sink. What we're going to do now at this point, give that a stir. This rice and peas is going to be nice and red. And then give it a taste. Want more salt. Another half tablespoon. Because I like to salt this one time. We're just gonna pressure this for about half an hour or until they're tender. Beautiful. Wow. Got that. Beautiful. That's what you want. Cooked. So we're going to transfer this now. Let me taste that first. Because it's cooked now with the salt and everything. Beautiful. So add that to a separate pot. Look how red and nice that is. Nice. And then back onto the stove. Like that up. Cover with a lid and let it come to a boil again. We're going to prepare the coconut. You can use a powdered coconut or use a fresh coconut. We like the fresh coconut. And you're going to say, how is that fresh? It's fresh. You just grate it. Mommy just cut it up and grate it and freeze it, right? So just drop that in here. Add some water. Put it all the way up. Boom. And we're just going to blend that out.
Living life on the edge.
So for the coconut, we're just going to strain that out to get all that nice juice. Alright, when I make my rice and peas, I like to use a bit of the trash in there. Drop in the rice. You know what I say? I get it nice and... My gas just finished. You know gas always finish on Sunday? I don't know why. So we just call the gas man. But in the meantime, this is the blended coconut. We're going to add that to the peas. Just like so. Nice. So I'm just going to put some butter, the pound butter. I use about 2 tablespoons. You know what I say? Nice and buttery, you know. Yeah. So the butter in there. Put some fresh scallion in there. Some fresh thyme. Everything has already been washed. I will use about 1 stalk of fresh scallion and 2 stalks of fresh thyme. I have a green bell pepper, not bell pepper. I have a green scotch bonnet pepper. You don't burst that. Leave the stem on. Make sure you wash it. You're gonna add that directly in there. And then a teaspoon of brown sugar. Yeah man, don't play with the brown sugar, you know. Yeah. Let's give that a stir. And what we're gonna do now, allow this coconut milk to cook in, but unfortunately my gas is finished, so we're gonna have to let this sit for a while until the gas man comes. You see how nice that looks? Beautifully seasoned. All that coconut, see the little flakes are in there. Nice. Cover that down, and at this point I'll be washing my rice. But man, today I'm gonna go wash the rice till the man come, you know. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna wash the rice now. Alright, so we're just gonna wash this rice. We give this 2 wash to ensure to remove a little bit of the starch, not too much. Yes. You can do this until the water runs clear, but we don't have water in Jamaica like that. Sometimes you leave it like this and once the water is clear, you're fine. But it's not that cloudy, so you know it's good to go. This rice is not dirty. My gas always done on Sunday.
Why Sunday? I said most gas.
Box. That's Sunday.
Today I don't want to have Sunday because I guess the phone didn't go wrong yesterday evening.
Yeah.
I paid a selfie yesterday and today. Busy.
Yeah, no star.
Alright, that mommy try. I walk
Oh. I'm cook your man. Turn on them, sir. Second one. Yeah. Up and running. Respect me, sir. Next, turn on for next one, Raja. First one. Second one. Next one. Yeah. Yes, sir. Back at it again. So look at that beauty. Smells so good. All that coconut essence. All the coconut essence. Add the wash rice to that. And it's good. Come feel it good. Cover that 20 minutes. And then once it starts drying down, we're going to turn that stove down. And then we'll steam that up for another 15 to 20 minutes. Get it nice and fluffy. Alright, so right now, the rice, we're going to steam this up nicely. We turn down the stove, and when you see small bubbles like that, that's when you want to add a plastic on it. I know it's very controversial. A lot of persons are saying they love mommy rice and peas, but I should add grease paper on the top instead. You know what I say? But we use the plastic. This is tradition. We put the plastic on here, and that helps to steam up the rice nicely.
It will not melt?
Nah man, it's good man. Nah melt.
Sure?
Yeah man, it's good. So some people are saying I should use the grease paper, but this is what we use over the years. We just sprinkle a little water on the top of the bag. Help it steam nice, you know. Learn from the best, you know. Miss Bailey, you know the thing, aka my mother. So we're gonna steam this for about 20 minutes at very low heat, minimum. And then after that we remove the plastic and we'll open up the pot a little bit and allow that the custard and the rice to just have the coconut to get nice and shelly and pretty. You smell it? Alright, so 20 minutes has passed. Rise up the cover. Look at that. So ramp with the chef, you know. That matter there. So just gotta remove that now. See all the water has absorbed. Yep. Nice. Look at that. So just remove the pepper. This is why we keep this just easy pull. There we go. Nice fluffy rice. You can remove these. Pimento. So we're just gonna fluff the rice now. Here we go. Just fluff it up. And once you fluff it up, we're gonna leave it to steam for another 10 minutes without the plastic. Yeah man, it's just not really steam like to get that custard from the rice, you know? You see that? What's that gonna do? It's gonna look more sheeny when you're done. Flip that around. You open it a little bit like so, and then the custard from the coconut is gonna get nice and make the rice shelly. Welcome to Jamaica, my friend, and welcome to my kitchen. This is from me to you.
Thanks very much.
Chicken, fried chicken, plantain, coleslaw, and rice and peas. You know the vibe. Show the people the thing. There you have it, the fried chicken, the oxtail, the plantain, the rice and peas and coleslaw. Try it out. Let me see what I got. I'm a J. Alright, go ahead now, Raja. Oxtail taste. Oxtail, do you want in it, brother? Cut it. And big up yourself. Enjoy the meal, my guy.
No, I'm speechless.
Enjoy the meal, not real life.